There now, welcome back to the workshop. If you're new to the channel, you are very welcome joining us here as we do a little bit of work. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll get updated on all the latest content as we release it. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like at the end. So today you're going to follow me along as I fit an A panel and line up the wing and the door on this Riley. Alright, well, you have a little repair job to do here already. So we have some broken off studs. Obviously when we stripped the car, the studs must have been gone. So we will head into the engine shop and replace these. Just gonna wire wheel this one. Okay, so we have a bit of a door fit problem here. The door is not fitting nicely into that opening. Okay, we need to do a little bit of adjustment. That door now is starting to fit, huh? I need to do a little cut with the grinder. Okay, let's get this door back into place and see how it fits now. Already feeling a hell of a lot better. Let's put the nuts on it and see. How many times does Paul drop the socket in one video? Okay, so I'm really happy with the door fit now. It's much better than what it was. You can see down here there is a bit of tightness. That's okay, we'll do a little bit more panel work down there and we'll get that tightness out of it there. Up here you can see the gap is probably a little bit loose, but that's common in minis anyway, so a little bit of weld build up on the edge of the door here and we'll be able to make that shape and make the door fit right there. As you see up here, the door gap is good all the way up along the top and down here, which is exactly what we want. We want the door fitting right. We now can put the A panel in, given that we have that fit right. Now you can hopefully see if you come around here and have a look, this is the reason why you have to take your time and have this door into place before you weld your A panel. So you can see big gap down the bottom of the A pillar, that's what we want that gap there. But if you look up the top here, it's real tight. Okay, we don't want that, we want that gap to transition smoothly all the way down the A panel. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to relieve another bit, grind another little piece out of the back of here, and then that'll allow the A panel move forward. If we get stuck and we still can't come forward enough, we can grind another bit out of here, and that'll get our A panel sitting where we want. Okay, we're ready to tack that on there, I think. Okay, check to make sure our door opens. Perfect. Once we have that lip folded over, that'll open perfectly. Now, get the spot welder. Okay, now we have our A panel fitting up and looking nice and neat on the door. All we've left to do now is to just pin the flange over at the back of the A panel into the holding panel, and then our A panel is pretty much installed. Let's remove the door and do that. Okay. Alrighty, let's see how that looks. I am pretty happy with that. There's a small few little bits of fettling to do, but otherwise, I think that's a pretty good fit. A little bit of adjustment here and there. Yeah, that's good. All right, that wraps us up from here, I think. I'm really happy with that fit now. The door does need a few little bit more fettling. I have to get a door seal, put that in, and I'll fettle that up and get that looking a little bit nicer. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new, like I said before, give us a subscribe. There's a few more little bits and pieces to do on this door. We've another little bit of finishing to do where I have to build a few bits of weld up just to get the door gaps the way I'd like them in. But the door is fitting really nice and tight. The A panel is nice and square, and it's a perfect place for me to build off that to get the other wing on. Then we can line up the bonnet gaps, get the front end on. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.